Hi, I'm Al Litwalk from Shukla Medical. I'm going to be speaking to you now about the mini ratcheting screwdriver set. This set comes in a stand-up case, can be opened, and it displays all the tops of the tips so that the surgeon can easily see them. It's comprised of 18 different tips as well as 6 broken and stripped screw extractors. The tips come in a range of different sizes and shapes, including an osteotome, torque drives, hex drives, center drives, slotted, and cruciform. The way the system is used is that you start out by identifying the screw that you wish to either remove or insert. You identify the tip that matches that screw. You then take out the ratcheting handle. You pull down the collar from the ratcheting handle and you insert the tip into that ratcheting handle. You then release that collar and let it lock in place. The next thing, depending on whether you want to install or remove that tip, if you're installing it, you move the slide switch on the ratcheting handle all the way to the front, thus ratcheting it so that you can install screws. If you wish to take them out, move it all the way to the back. Again, it'll ratchet to allow you to take screws out. Or if you want to fix it firmly in place where it won't ratchet at all, just move it to the center position. You then use it to remove or install the screw. Once you're done, you can then push the collar back down, extract the tip, place it back into the caddy, place the handle back into the caddy, and it's ready to be re-sterilized using steam sterilization. To use the stripped screw extractors, you select from either the larger or the smaller tip, depending on the size of the indent that you're going into to lock into. It's important to remember that when you're using the stripped screw extractor, that it does not bottom out in the stripped out hole. You then place it into that hole and you put it into the handle, lock it in place, push the handle to the back position for extraction, put it into the screw and turn it in a counterclockwise direction to take that screw out. It's important to turn it into that counterclockwise direction or else the threads won't lock into the screw. When you're taking out a broken screw, you use the broken screw extractor, again putting it into the handle, again leaving it set to the removal position all the way to the back. You place that over the broken screw, careful to have it directly centered over that screw and so that the tips of the extractor won't hit the metal screw. The screw should actually go up into the trephine part of the extractor. You then unscrew that, applying pressure down to dig into the bone until you get down to where the screw is. Once it does get down there, it will lock onto the screw. It has internal threads up in the trephine part. The cannulated part of the extractor will lock onto that screw and will back the screw out. You can then remove that and replace it into the kit. Coming with the kit is also a laminated technical user guide that goes through the detailed instructions of how to use it. Thank you very much.